If you have ever considered buying a butterfly tabletop sewing machine, well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share with you new products that fashion designers can get to help them grow their businesses. Now, let's dive in. When you buy a new butterfly tabletop sewing machine, there are certain items that you should find in that box. When you don't find these items, then that means that something has been tampered with in your box. So let's dive in. A butterfly machine, a tabletop, is suitable for people who make wigs, beginners in fashion designing, who are looking for easy way to learn their skill without stress. Now, when you open your box, you should find in it a pedal. That pedal is what you'll see attached to the box of the machine. You can see that it's covered with foam to prevent it from scattering or damaging. That is the pedal right there, as you can see. Yes, that's the pedal. Then when we open up the box, your machine should be inside of that box untouched, and it should come with a nylon covering it. I'm sure you'll see it in this video that the nylon is covering the machine. Like I was saying, a tabletop is suitable for beginners who are learning how to sew, people who make wigs, or crafters who are looking for easy way to achieve their goal. This particular machine comes with different stitch styles, and so you get like 28 to 30 different stitch styles from just this single machine, which is a plus for you because you don't have to worry about achieving designs with your sewing machine. This is what your tabletop looks like. You can see it is really clean and affordable. It's not stressful, but you need electricity to power it at all times when you want to use it. Please subscribe to my channel for more unboxing video for tailor items.